Hey, I'm out here in Victory at Verrado, and this is William Ryan Homes tract right here. This home is on a premium lot, although it's not it's a very inexpensive for a premium lot. It's only $70,000 upgrade for this lot that has a great mountain view and golf course view. And this is the third hole at Victory at Verrado. I'm gonna walk this. This is lot number 7. And if you're seeing this video, this is a lot of what I do is I shoot videos for clients that reach out to me, and so they can get a real good idea of what a home site might look like, in addition to what you might see on a map layout of a community. I'm going to take it slow because it is getting hot out here, and I do want to look at the ground and make sure that there are no snakes around. I will confirm the floor plans that are available, but for the most part, even if there's a floor plan, like I know the client that reached out to me that I'm shooting this video for, she's looking for an open view from the living room through a large slider that'll showcase the views. And so even if the same floor plan is on either side, the builder will allow that same floor plan with just a different elevation. The elevation is the front face of the home. Okay, so I'd be really significantly in the backyard here because I'm only about 18 to 20 feet from the back wall. So this could be where, just beyond the patio, if you look next door, it's just a couple feet back where the home ends. So about here, great views. If you see straight ahead, that is right where I'm focused at right there, where you see that road going up into the mountain. That is the former proving grounds where Caterpillar, the big earth moving machine company, this is where their proving grounds were. So Verrado was a joint venture between Caterpillar and D&B, which is the developer out here. Tremendous views. These views are looking towards Tiger Mountain and the White Tank Mountains beyond it. Tiger Mountain is right here. And great views looking to the north. And the builders sold a lot of these lots in the last 2 weeks. So I know I've got other clients that are waiting around, and they think that there's still some bottoming out to happen in the market. There is, that's yet to be seen, right? There's 2 schools of thought about that. The Cromford report came out a couple of weeks ago and projected values to increase in the valley over the next year. And they've done nothing but go down since March of 2022. So, and then there's others that just believe that there's more fallout in the economy. But out here in Victory and Verrado, it is a destination location. People retire out here, and it's a very desirable community. So I know of no other community where people are moving from, say, Scottsdale to live in a city like Buckeye. It's the community, the amenities, the value, the neighbors, the lifestyle, and the value really that is offered out here. My name is Andrew Texidor. I've been selling real estate here in the valley since 2000. I can be reached via email, andrew.texidor, Texidor @gmail.com. 602-909-9414. And I'm going to go from here to a few other lots that have a higher premium and they're right on the golf course. Check you soon.